Welcome back. In the last task, we covered how to export your finished prototype to various formats and how to present your prototype to an audience or stakeholders. In this optional task, you will design an alternative home screen for our music streaming app. This alternative design is to be used in an A/B test. Your manager is interested in testing the features of the home screen to decide which provides a better user experience. By the end of this task, you would have had an additional UI design piece which you can add to your portfolio to demonstrate your understanding of UI design techniques and principles. An A/B test is a simple test where you release two versions of a design on your users to see which design performs best. It allows you to study the actual behavior of your users, measure performance differences, and resolve product trade offs. Now, let's get started. Create another frame in your design for your mobile screen and design an alternative home screen for your app from scratch. Repeat all the tasks you have completed in this project in your new design. Your new design must contain the following features. 1. A taskbar at the top of the mobile screen with at least two icons to make your design appear as realistic as possible. Include the battery icon and the signal icon. 2. A user avatar representing the user of the app. 3. A menu containing icons representing common tasks that will be completed by the user. Include the favorite icon, the search icon, and the library icon. 4. A component allowing the user to see new releases for the week and the tracks that have been added to the user's favorites list. 5. Features that allow the user to play a track and see the tracks that are on queue to play. 6. Meaningful text labels for all important features and icons in the app. 7. The name of the app in a clearly visible location on the app. Follow the guidelines in the project to draw shapes and group them together. Create components and reuse them in your design. Add components from a Figma Low Fidelity UI Kit to your design. And label features and icons properly in your app. In your project files, I have included a sheet which lists all the features that must be present in your alternative design. To access the file, navigate to the link showing on your screen. You can also find a link to this sheet in the resources section of your project. You will find a checklist showing the rubrics by which you can determine the success of your project. Now pause this video until the task is completed. Welcome back. I'm going to show you my solution to this challenge so you can see how I completed this task. On your screen, you can see a new design titled Home version B. It contains all the elements I used in the first version, but with a completely new design. In the new design, I maintained the user avatar and the name of the user, but all other elements were repositioned. Common user tasks, represented by the heart icon, the library icon, and the search icon, have moved to the top of the screen. I redesigned the components representing the new releases feature and the favorites feature on the homepage, as you can see. Also, the playlist gets a new design with new components designed to show the track that is being played and the ones on queue to play. I also included two arrow keys at the bottom to enable the user scroll to the left and right in order to see the songs on queue. One arrow key has been grayed out to show that it's at the beginning of the playlist, and the second arrow key is darker, looking active, indicating that users can scroll to the right. Congratulations on completing this guided project about designing a low fidelity prototype in Figma. In this project, we covered how to create a low fidelity prototype of a music streaming mobile app in Figma. You also learned how to use Figma UI Kits to design low fidelity prototypes. And finally, you learned how to export and share Figma prototypes with other stakeholders. By now, you should feel comfortable creating low fidelity prototypes for any products in Figma. Remember to continue testing your knowledge about the material covered in this project by completing the final graded quiz. Thank you for spending this time with me today, and I hope you enjoyed this project. I'm Grace Okubo, and it has been a pleasure guiding you.